katabi, early detection
Early detection
means early intervention. Means better
is better.
prognosis. Ang sarap prognosis. Better! Yung maganda po ang paroroonan, ang health path natin. So let's do it right now. No? This is very aligned with Pride because Pride International, it says that when you are with Pride, you are in the prime of your life. When I heard about what my beloved shared, that the Gen Z, it's possible for the Gen Z to be able to experience 150 years old and above. Sabi ko po talaga, Father God, nag-pray po talaga ako. Sabi ko, I want to experience long life so I can grow old with my children and my children's children. Sino po sa atin dito, who among us here wants to see your children and their children's children?
Yeah.
Who wants to see that? Who wants to enjoy that? That is my desire. That is my desire. So, kaya kami po, healthy po. We're doing our best to choose the food that we eat, to really do exercise. We are really doing our best. But the only difference between what we are doing and the Gen Z, because nag-echo ako. Dahil because they will reach to the technology age wherein one person, iba't ibang tao, iba't ibang katawan, meron pong iba't ibang kailangan na gamot. Di ba po ngayon, pag sumakit ang ulo mo, biogesic agad. Kung ang edad mo ay 30 years old, 40 years old, 50 years old, or even 18 years old, pag sumakit ang ulo, anong papainom? Biogesic or paracetamol. So generic. Dadating po ang panahon or aabutan po ng Gen Z, they will reach that time where every person will have a specific medication that is really intended for that person. And so with that, the person's life will really extend. Kasi individualized, hindi na siya naka-generic. So nung na-experience po namin si Magnus Silva, sabi ko, Lord, eto na yon. This is what we have been praying for. Kami pong mag-asawa. That you will receive what is really needed for your body, what is needed for your body, what is needed for your body, individualized. And so we will learn that today. Are you excited?
Yes.
So, eto po ngayon, ayan, okay. The future of intelligent wellness technology. So it will use AI as a means to process the data which will be collected individually. And the AI, the artificial intelligence, will help identify what is needed by the body individually. Are you following?
Yes.
So it's no longer on a broad or generic way, individual. So it uses now, bawal po palang mag-live, ha? Yeah, wala pong nag-live. Okay, pwede pong mag-video, personal. Okay, ask me why.
Why?
Because we are still in the pre-launching stage. Secondly, there are things that you will understand clearly because you are here, rather than those that are just listening in their house. So, you can take a video for yourself. Okay? Thank you so much. So, tingnan po natin, paano po natin i-explain yan. Mal, can you help me out, Marco? So, it will help the body by scanning through like an Apple Watch. Para kang may Apple Watch na susuotin mamaya. Balik mo nga, please. Ito po siya nakakabit sa left wrist. Like really wearing a watch. And why do you need to position it on the left? Because anatomically, the heart is leaning more on the left side. So, kaya nga po pag pinupulsuhan ka, saan ka pinupulsuhan?
Left.
Okay, so yun po yun. Okay? So, yan po, yung watch na yan ang gagamitin natin. Although it is very powerful, but it is non-medical. So you and me cannot go out in the field and wear the lab gown and try to diagnose or scan every person that you know, and you will tell them, Ma'am, takot ako sa iyo. Mamamatay na kidney mo. Bawal po yun. It's no. Because what it will be reading is not the organ, but the energy of the cells. So our body is made up of trillions of cells. And out of the trillions of cells, your eyes have trillions of cells, your liver have trillions of cells, every part of the body or the organ have trillions of cells. And ito po ang makikita. This is basically what you will see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are you with me?
Yes.
When you see the pale yellow, it means that the cell in the body is on a dormant stage. Remember, why do we blow iteracare at the back?
Yes.
Because we want to activate the dormant stem cells in the body. These are cells that are okay, but they are not functioning the way they should function. That's pale yellow. Bright yellow means the cell is really doing its part. It is alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic. Are you with me?
Yes.
The number 3 is the cells is functioning according to its age. Ano po yung edad ng cells? It's functioning according to his or its age. Okay? Okay. One thing that you also need to check, when you scan, when the scanning will start, you simply just have to look into the color and the shape. So if you see a triangle that is pointed upward, that's number 3. Because in the screen, there will be no numbers that will reflect, only colors and shape. Are you following?
Yes.
Inverted pyramid, which is red, means the energy. Say with me, energy.
Energy.
Energy. So the energy of the cells is already below. Bumababa na po siya at hindi na po siya ganon sa kung ano po siya ginawa. Okay, what it is, the energy that it is supposed to actually do the work. Pag 5, pag nakita mo ang 5, meaning the cells needs attention. Ano po yun?
Attention.
The cells needs attention. It means that you cannot just wait and do nothing. You need to make sure that it has to be attended. Last but not the least, number 6. Pag nakita niyo po si number 6, matakot na po kaya. Number 6. Number 6. Okay. It means the cells need immediate attention. It doesn't mean that the cells or the organ is already failing. We saw one, when we scanned in Japan, we saw one Japanese had a lot of blood in his pancreas. So he was so afraid. But I have to tell him, remember, the black color simply tells you that that specific area which has black colors needs to be attended immediately. But it doesn't mean that your pancreas is this broken. It doesn't mean that you are already diabetic. It may lead. Ano po yung magic word? May lead. Pwede po siyang papunta doon pag hindi mo siya binigyan ng atensyon. So why is this important? For me, as a medical practitioner, I've been working in the hospital for the longest time. I see a lot of drama. And most of the time, the drama would always be mother and daughter, mother and son, father and daughter. And they would always say, Tay! Sabi ko sa'yo, Tay! Napansin niyang ano pa? Walang pera! Palagi walang pera! Eh bakit ngayon, Tay? Na-ICU ka na, lumapas ang pera! Ang pera ng kapitbahay nasama pa! That's really funny, but that's really true.
Yeah.
We always do we always act when it's too late already.
Yeah.
Kasi kung kakayanin, okay lang, kaya pa. So we really need to act. No, it's really not about, sometimes po, hyper po ako. Kasi, alam niyo po, may nakikita na po kung gagawin. Ganun na. Hindi ko rin hindi kapot pa yan. I'm working so hard. So why do we need this music? Because it gives you an early warning sign.
Yes.
Ako po, palagi ko pong ginagawa to whenever I'm with my wife. Aside. Kasi hindi ko na po nakikita. Pero hindi ko po pinapahalata. I never allow my wife to feel that I have problems in my eyes. Because denial. Di ba po, marami sa atin denial dito. Sumasakit na ang mga sumasakit. Okay na. Ayaw po. Kausap ko po, I've been talking to my son, with my children. When I talk to them, anak, and then biglang nag-ring ang phone. Pagbalik ko, ano ngayon anak? Nalimutan ko na. When we did the scan, black. So, Ginoo ko, Lord, makaitira na ko. Natakot talaga ako. Everything is black here. And then my brain black.
Recording stopped.
I really need to make an attention to that part.
Yeah.
So when I started focusing on my iTera, and at the same time doing the repair, because the good news here, guys, you can localize. Say with me, localize.
Localize.
Wag nating sabihin ng repair kasi medical yan. The balancing of the energy of the cells. So when the cell's energy is rebalanced, then you started to see better. So ngayon po, kasi araw-araw po nang ginagamit, klarong-klaro ko po kayo pag gumagano kayo. Huwag kang gumagano. Kita, okay? Dahil I always use this. That's so powerful. I'd like to end my sharing as far as Magnostic, and then we'll do an actual screen. We had We had a close friend. Meron po kaming kaibigan in Cebu. Just the morning before there was an incident, he is still very active. And then, a night, during the evening, he wasn't able to wake up already. Sa mga Bisaya nga natin there is a Cebuana influencer. I don't know if you know that.
51 years old.
51 years old. She's actually one of the parang promoter ni Ilyas. Yeah, isa siya. She was doing a vlog in the evening, promoting it. I really felt bad kasi kaibigan namin ba. The last time we saw each other, she was really happy with the ITERA care. Because she was a recipient of the ITERA care. But, in the morning, cardiac arrest. Sabi ko,
Recording in progress.
kung sana nagkaroon kami ng chance na ma-scan at nalaman niya na meron pala siyang concern doon na part, it could be a different story sana. So my beloved leaders, don't think about other people yet. Think about yourself.
Yeah.
Do the first, most valuable love, which is loving yourself. For me and my beloved wife, Magnusik is a gift from God, and it gives us an opportunity to be able to see what's happening inside. Kasi wala naman pong nakakaalam talaga anong nangyayari sa loob mo. Basta alam mo lang may pain. Alam mo lang hindi ka nakakatulog. You just know something is really, why am I forgetting? Why am I having a hard time seeing already? So those are just signs. But within the cells of the body, something needs to be given attention. Are you with me?
Yeah.
So right now, let's do an actual scan. So we have our very beloved doctor over here, Dr. Sonia. Dr. Sonia, can you move on the side? When you do the scan, so mag-orient na lang din po ako para paano gawin. When you do the scan, very important, you should not be wearing any metal. So remove all the metals. So first thing, because it will impair, maapektuhan po ang reading. So there are two things that we need to be able to take note when we do Magnusik. First and foremost, we get as much as possible the best possible result. Because the same data will be used for the rebalancing. Later on, you will be surprised that the cells that are black and brown and red, when the rebalancing will start, when the revitalization will start, when the charging of the cells will start, you would actually appreciate the before and after. Okay? So yun po ang gagawin natin. Second, you need to have a phone. When you do the scan, you need to have a phone, and that's nothing to worry because I know tatlo, apat ang phone ninyo. Okay? Why? Because unlike all other something like this, the data or the summary of the result will automatically be sent to your phone. Palakpak naman kayo. No need of printing a lot of paperwork. If you want to print, is it possible? Yes, it is possible. But at least, it will just be there in your phone. Okay. Another thing that we need to do, Doki, no crisscross. And then, pwede lang, Dok, relax lang. Bakit po crisscross? The reading is actually based on the blood circulation in the body. So when there are nangyumpos ka, na ganun ka, ang circulation is hindi po ganun kaganda, we wouldn't be getting the best possible result. Okay, next. When you do the ano na po natin, ilagay na natin dito. Okay lang. Okay lang yun. Okay lang. Okay. So if you will dapat naka-mirror. Kuya Rich, alam mo bang paano i-mirror ito? Parang dapat makita doon. Sinong Kuya Teo? Kuya Teo, please. Inalagay na. Pero dapat pero dapat nila makita dapat.
Ayun, galing. Ayun, I love you. Anak ko po yan. Wala ko din. Ma'am, hindi ka lahat na. Tapos, okay ba yung cross na legs? Relax kayo, okay ba? During the session. Habang naghihintay po tayo, yung gagawin po natin ngayon, magsascanning po tayo. So make sure, pag kayo po, pag nag-undergo rin yung scanning, huwag po kayo mag-cross ng legs, huwag kayo mag-cross ng arms. Relax lang po kayo, huwag kayong kabahan kung ano makikita. Ano makikita, lakas sa loob nyo. Alala namin kayo.
Okay. I love you. Everybody in the screen. So, once you do the screening po, ito po ang pinaka-importante, itong tinatawag na intelligent detect. You click the intelligent detect and you will see the smart scan. By the way, it's very important that you will have a strong internet. Strong internet. Data, pwede basta LTE. So, with your phone, we have to scan the QR code here. Okay, so in that case, si Doktora ang ano natin, so we do the scan here, Dokson. Okay, the screen. Katanungin mo sa Doktora kung naka ano ni data. Dapat ang phone mo naka-data. So, patulong naman.
Yung day, yung sa kanya sa
Ito dapat. Ito. Ah,
Google Lens.
pero mas maganda man para at least So, hanapin daw ang QR code sa phone nyo. Definitely, ang mga anak natin marunong yan. Okay, and then scan. And then it will prompt you to private, parang private page. And you will, hirap pa magtagalog.
You will fill it up.
But you will fill it up, okay, with your name and so, yeah. The name, what we can do is you can put at least your name or an alias or parang code for privacy sake. Then, so meron pong phone number, 11 digits. It's very important to put the phone number because if you put the phone number that is wrong, 1 credit is out. I just lost 2 credits last night. Yeah, so because later in the business side, you will understand about the credits. And then the birthday should be year, month, date. So example, October 1, 1977, that is 1977, 10/01. Okay. Then meron po siyang nakasabi doon detailed, standard, or quick. So for my suggestion, when you do a scan for people that you really want to bring in, or at least you will see, you do detailed. And then 1. Because when you do that, you only, mabawas ka lang ng 1 credit. You only use 1 credit. So the moment you click OK, it will automatically, so paano ang phone dito sa side nyo? Okay, so relax, Doki. So automatically, once you key in your data correctly, the MagnoSig will do everything for you. So, again, a reminder to everyone, we are not scanning the organ. We are only scanning the cells. So immediately, you see, when something like number 5 and number 6 will be seen, it will go deeper. It will find to the root cause kung ano po talaga ang ugat ng problema. And what I like with this, even in Japan, there's a device like this, 6 years, 8 years ago, they bought it at $60,000 US. And it's like as big as this. So gaganon sila pag magsascan. That's why they really like MagnoSig because it's very handy. And they told us that that device is only up to number 4. But ours is, it can scan up to number 6.
Thank you, Lord.
Yes, that is good. So advanced po talaga. And later on, I want you to notice that it can even go to the chromosomes, to the DNA level, to the nucleus, to the mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. Yeah, so, and who will do that? The MagnoSig. You don't need to worry about it. You just have to sit down, relax, and be open. Because again, early detection means early intervention. Yes. So it will process 250 parts and 12,000 points. 250 parts of the body will be scanned and 12,000 points. So example, like this, it will be seen, it will, nakita.
Cartilage.
It will go and it will find the necessary cell there. Now it goes to the X and Y chromosomes. So you would really love life. You will thank God that there is a technology such as this. So on the sixth pair of the chromosomes, it will detect and again go inside up to the DNA level. Palakpak naman kayo dyan. Why is that important? Because the same data will be used for the rebalancing or for the revitalization or for the recharging. Amazing. So common questions, how long will it take? The answer is, depende sa katawan. So if you notice, we had in Japan, it took 4 hours, mahal, right? Including repairs, including rebalancing. And remember in Japan, if they all ride the train, so they have to cut it already because they will be left of for the train. So we weren't able to finish it. Then there are also cases as fast as 45 minutes, you're done, depending on the condition. So if you are somebody who it will take an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, then you have to be grateful. Because your body really needs immediate attention and the Magnostic is gonna help you a lot. Okay, so let's do interactive while we're doing the scanning. Question. Yes po.
Kung sa hospital po ay MRI,
Mhm.
na, kailangan po natin mag-NPO, right?
Yes po,
So
NPO.
pag ito po tayo, kailangan po ba tayo
Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, NPO po is nothing per orem. Ibig sabihin, wala kang kakainin. Okay, the best is when you do the Magnostic, it is done on an empty stomach. So, better kung paggising mo sa umaga, if you have your own device already and you wanna scan or rescan, then you do it after you wake up in the morning. Not even using the iTera Care as much as possible. Why? Because the iTera Care will already alter the energy. So what we wanted is to get a very good baseline, a very good result, which we will have as the basis of the rebalancing or the charging after that. So yun po. Ngayon kung nakakain ka na 4 hours pataas. So nakakain ka na ngayon 7 in the morning. It would be good na alas 12 ka na or alauna ka na magpascan. Yes.
May question po sa Zoom. Is
Okay.
there radiation absorbed while doing the scan?
Okay. So, as far as radiation is concerned, that is something I'm not really 100% sure, but I know that our device also has quantum technology, which is a 0-point energy that is canceling the effect of bad radiation in the body. So if there is, it would be very minimal and it will be repaired afterwards. Because what the radiation will actually do, okay, I will explain now. Thank you for that question. Very good. Now I remember. What the radiation will do, if this is the cell, ano po ito? A normal cell, ano po ito? Normal cell. A normal cell actually has 70 to 90 millivolts. This is the voltage of a normal cell. 70 to 90 millivolts. Because of radiation,
Yes.
different factors, lifestyle, stress, food that we take in, the normal voltage of the cell can drop to, okay, 25 to 50 millivolts. When it drops to 25 to 50 millivolts, this is already on the stage where it needs attention. Okay? It needs attention, either 4 or 5. It needs attention. Why? Because it needed the energy to go back. If it will not be addressed, it can go down to 5 to 20 millivolts. And this stage is called CA stage, cancer stage. Cancer cells. So ladies and gentlemen, all of us have cancer cells. So when you see something like the black, don't be afraid, because God has created the body in such a manner that it is so powerful and intelligent. It actually has what you call immune system. The immune system is the soldiers of the body. And the soldiers of the body are there to eat up anything that is foreign. Okay? Are you following?
Yes.
However, on a general perspective, not everybody knows about the charging of the cells. In fact, in the time of Adam and Eve, the charging only happens when they are in deep sleep. When they are in the fresh forest, waterfalls, ocean river, na-charge po, yun po ang charging noong unang panahon. Because of negative ion, the oxygenation, and so on and so forth. Meaning, if you will have enough sleep, if you will have very good nutrition, then the cells can actually be charged back to its optimum level. The question is, how many of us here really sleep 7 to 8 hours a day? Who among us here has the opportunity to enjoy the sunlight, have fresh air, fruits and vegetables, diba? Living the time of your life, wala naman po, ano? So, kailangan po natin magkaroon ng charger. Okay. Because what happens when these cells will not be taken care of? Millions of this okay lang, kasi trillions naman ang cells natin per organ. But the sad thing would be this. Okay, everybody look at here, so you will understand. This is the cell which has 5 to 20 millivolts. Are you with me?
Yes.
And we were able to identify that example in the breast or in the liver or in the pancreas. Again, I would repeat, it's not the liver, it's not the pancreas, it's not the breast that is cancerous. Do you agree? Hindi
Yeah.
po ha. Ang nagkakaproblema na po is ang cell. The cells have a survival instinct.
Yeah.
Ano po ang meron ng cell? Survival instinct. It doesn't want to die. So what it will do, when there are healthy cells surrounding, because remember, trillions of cells, correct?
Yes.
The cells that is 15 to 20 is about to die. So it will borrow energy from the healthy cells. So, kakapit siya. Kakapit siya, magiging ganito ang itsura niya. Are you following?
Yes.
Why? Because it is borrowing energy to the healthy cells. Is that good?
Yeah.
Yes, because the cells just want to survive.
Yes.
But the soldiers, the immune system, does not recognize that cell already.
Yeah.
Oh, that is an alien.
Yeah.
Are you with me?
Yes.
So what will it do? It will eat. In the medical term, we call that phagocytize, kakainin. So kakainin siya, kakainin. That's why po, a lot of times, when it is not being addressed right away, it will end up to be, di ba, nalalanta. It will start, okay, thank you for the word, bukol. Bukol is actually, the very cause of bukol is yung kumpul-kumpul na mga cells na nagdidikit-dikit because they wanted to survive. So once this will be charged, what will happen? What will happen if the cells will be charged? When it charges to 70 to 90, huh?
Normal.
Maghihiwalay-hiwalay na. Then the only reason they are together because they wanted to borrow energy. But the moment the energy goes back to the normal energy level, the cells would say, I don't need you. I'm free. Yeah. So remember, guys, whenever you see something like this, it is not something that we should be afraid. It is something that we should attend right away. Sabihin niyo po ang katabi mo, attend right away. Sabihin niyo po, immediate attention. What I like with Magnusik, okay, I'm almost done. What I like with Magnusik, the same data that is collected will also be used to energize the very cells in the body that needs immediate attention. Talagang matutuwa ka. Wow, thank God. At nagkaroon ako ng opportunity na malaman kung ano talaga ang problema ng aking cells. Yes. So, meron tayong very happy pala dito. We can ask testimonies later. So, are you with me?
Yes.
So, when you see that, there is a solution. And the solution is use Magnusik and iTeracare. Those the iTeracare, ako po, I experienced what Kuya Rich shared the other day, healing progress. When I had my, last night, I had 12 hours of rebalancing. When I woke up, it's so heavy. Talagang I felt like this is so heavy, this is so heavy, this is so heavy. So what I did was focus the iTeracare. So why I'm here already to 11, and then I did it for more than an hour. And so right now I'm alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic. What is the power of our iTeracare and Magnusik complementary? Question.
Sabi po dito, after scanning and rebalancing, how many hours before we can use our iTeracare device?
After scanning
And
or
rebalancing.
automatically you can use. The very reason why you don't use while you are scanning or repairing, because you wanted to get a very good baseline. Yes po.
I just want to ask a question.
Apo.
Could you use it,
Apo.
Kasi narinig ko kanina pumapasok ang Magnusik sa nucleus
Yes.
cell.
Yes.
Since na yung nucleus, ang Radiosik ay antibacterial, meron siyang antivirus, anti-fungus.
Apo.
How about yung HIV na ang virus na yun, nakatira siya mismo doon sa loob ng nucleus?
Okay.
So, is it possible to that the Magnusik can kill this virus inside the
Because we are a non-medical device, we can never really make a claim. But what we can do is we can encourage Because at the end of the day, personal experience
It's best.
is really more important than whatever other people will say. The claim. So, because again, okay, again, the moment you say, nako, gamit ka nito, gagaling ka. Tsugi na naman tayo. Imbit mahimo kang milyonaryo. I'm telling you guys, when I talk about the business, this is not a joke. Really, I'm telling you, you can really earn big here. Imagine we are still in the pioneering stage and we only need to... Alam mo na kailangan mo! Pero kung ma-upload kasi merong magsasabi, o gagaling ka ha, gagaling ka ha. Okay, I have a very about testimony to share. We were in Davao, and then this person bought a Magnostic. And then when he saw the result, he was so afraid because 7 of the organs is all black. Alam mo nangyari? Hinimatay. Oh my God. Alam niyo ba kung hinimatay ang tao? Dahil sa nervyos. Sino nag-nerve? Oh, sige ha, palit na ka ha, tanawa ha. Okay. Tinakot pa, wag po tayong magtakot. Please lang. Kasi masisira po ang business natin. Alam niyo po, this business, you can give it to your children's children. But if FDA will run after us because of a lot of claims, then goodbye. So, can we share? Of course, but we use the right terminology.
No social media.
And as much as possible, no social media. Ask me why. Because in social media, you cannot defend yourself. And it will be blown out of proportion. Anyway, you cannot sell Magnostic because this is experiential. So if you want to share this to your friends, to your relatives, go and have them experience it. Okay, question? Yes po.
Sir, earlier,
Apo.
before the Magnostic,
Yes po.
we have to remove metal.
Yes.
Like, meron po akong metal sa loob. So, is this still okay,
Okay.
for people with pacemaker?
Okay, thank you so much po. Okay, there are only few precautions that we need to take note, and number 1 is no pacemaker. Why? Because it is driven by electrical impulse, and we do not want that we will be the cause. Although again, it is not. It doesn't have any study that shows na mayroong namatay dahil gumamit nito. But should you be the one na mataymingan? So precaution is very important. Number 2, if there are metals, the result is altered. Meaning, it does not really give you the exact result. Yeah, okay. So this one, we're doing the repair or rebalancing already. Okay, we're doing the rebalancing. We're doing the, notice the energizing.
Vitalizing.
Okay? Yeah, so you will know that the same data it will use. So now it's gonna go to the collagen area. So the black one, when it is charged, remember, okay, there are those that is being charged already. Palakpak naman dyan. How often do you do it? As often as possible. Yes, that's why Magnostic is not something that you should borrow. Uy, kumpanya tayo, divided by 5. Sorry po ha, you can do that, but my point is this. You will not be able to use it fully. It's just like owning a refrigerator and you let it borrowed by your neighbor. Example po, kami nag-scan si Yasmin kahapon. No, I did a scan last night. tulo laway niya. Because she just have to wait. Because we only have one device. One is in Davao. We bought two. So we were contemplating, we're gonna buy two. Even though we are husbands and wife. Because when she is repairing, I cannot do the rebalancing and the activity of the Magnus 6. So if you are to ask me, do you need it? Yes. Do you need one? Yes. And secondly, I have a good news. Do you want to hear the good news?
Yes.
Magnosic is actually for free. Sabi mo, congratulations! Promo lang po yung free ha, kaya dapat magpalista na. I will explain how it will be, how you can get hold of it for free. Yes. Okay, so yan na po ang nangyayari. Question pa po while so we can go into question.
Ayun, oo.
So, example, meron po ditong metal. And you really wanted to scan because if you won't scan, you wouldn't be able to also do the rebalancing. On this particular part, there is an altered result. Yeah, it wouldn't be like 100%. Pero pwede pa rin. Safe pa rin po. It doesn't actually like fatal. Like for pregnant women, why are we pregnancy, ma'am? Sorry. Okay. For pregnant women po, it's not encouraged. It's not encouraged because there are two entities inside the body. So the scan will be, the result of the scan will also be affected. And it can also agitate the baby because it provides energy afterwards. Yeah, peacemaker. Peacemaker po, di po pwede. Other question? So, you would appreciate it that the data that's collected a while ago is the same data that is used. So it now goes to the X and Y chromosomes. The rebalancing, re-energizing, the charging also go to chromosome level. So you would see from those that are red, dark, brown, and black. So what happens if it doesn't change color right away? It means that you need more time. That's why in the option you have, I will show, one count, 2 counts, 3 counts, 20 counts. Ibig sabihin po doon, 2 counts meaning twice balik-balikan yung area na nakita. Twice niya i-charge. 20 times niya po, like for me, I really put 20 times in my eyes. So 20 times. The good news, 1 payment lang yun. 1 credit lang.
Overnight is 20.
You can, it really
20
depends
cycles.
there if you have enough time. Because if you don't have enough time, like ako, I did 20 counts, but it's already 10 o'clock, it's not yet done. So I have to close it.
If it's overnight, after the week overnight, 20 can be.
Yeah, but for me, in my case nga, 10 o'clock na in the morning, hindi pa tapos.
Number 20.
So depende talaga sa
Depends
katawan.
on the body.
Question pa po?
Yung free daw po.
Ay, yung free! Oh, wow! Excited sa free! Yes! Who's excited for the free? You know what? This is the most exciting part. Especially for those that are already owners of Itera Care. Mas mapapabilis po ang pagbalik ng pera. Okay. Sino po dito, who amongst us here have plan? Cellphone, Globe, Smart, Talk and Text plan. Are you having a plan? Yes? Mommy, when you buy or choose a phone, example, you choose a phone, what happens? You choose a phone, di ba po merong, certain plan, you can get certain types of phone.
Yeah.
And it will be locked in for how many months?
24
4 months. What happens in the next 24 months if you keep on paying the loan? Papalitan before palitan. Libre muna. Diba? Are you with me? Actually, the phone is for free. The phone is for free. What you're actually paying is the loan. What happens when you stop paying the loan? You cannot call, you cannot text. Your phone is just good for picture taking. So the concept of MagnoSeek is brilliant. Say with me, brilliant.
Brilliant.
Say with me, brilliant.
Brilliant.
It uses the same concept of plan. It uses the same concept of the plan, which is when you buy, all you need to do is put a down payment. Di ba po sa Globe or sa Smart or sa Sun, magda-down ka lang. Cash out. Cash out. And then, you just do your thing on a monthly basis. And then, the phone will be free. So exactly, yun po ang mangyayari kay MagnoSeek. You put a down payment, and right now it's still on a pre-launching mode, meaning you will have to wait before the product arrives in the Philippines. For us, we waited for 2 months. But in you guys, you are so lucky. Inay mong katapat, sabi mo sa katabi mo, you're so lucky.
You're so lucky.
For you, only 1 month minimum waiting. O si ate lang, ang unahin ko si ate Bigay kasi nagpalagpak. Palagpak naman kayo siya. Yun ba, almost done na po tayo. Okay, so once you will do the down payment, you will be prioritized to the next shipping. What if you have money? I'm gonna pay it in cash. Then then you will still not get the device because it is on a pre-order stage. But when you pay in full, later, the price, hindi ko kasi pwedeng i-out mahal ko.
Dito.
Diyan na lang si Doki, i-change ko na lang na. Okay. Para makita nato and then, exciting part is coming because there are so many people who will share their powerful story. Okay? Ang price kasi, let's go na para mag-order na tayo lahat.
Yes.
Okay. The exciting part is you only pay $1,000 US. How much do you pay? $1,000 US. From the $1,000 US that you will pay, you will be given already your MagnoSeek. You will be given your MagnoSeek. Then you will be given a loan. The loan that will be given to you, it's like the concept of the phone. You can use it again and again and again as long as you will have a load. When you do not have a load already, the phone will not function, hindi ka na makakatawag. Same with the MagnoSeek. So for 10 months, you have to pay in staggered amount. 450. So, ayan. Ito po. Ito po ang price ni MagnoSeek, 5,500. And it comes with 2,000 PV. Then it has 1,000 usage. So you can really enjoy good health. Because 1,000 usage is really 1,000. If you will maximize it, one usage, it can be 12 hours 20 hours already. And you will receive back $5,000.
Wow.
Ulitin ko po ha. Ang babayaran mo in full is 5,500. Pero in 2 years time, ibabalik sa'yo ang 5,000. So, what do I mean by that? Libre ang Prada! Sabi ko sana kami po, libre ang Prada! Yes! So that is the exciting part. If you understand this, kaya po kami, bili ka agad kasi anyway, libre. It will come back to you at 5,000. Now, there is a good news. Please, mga ito. Okay, payment method, naasad tayo full payment, naasad tayo installment. When you say full payment, from 5,500, you will only have to pay 5,000. You have a $500 discount palakpak naman dyan. $500, 20,000. That's the cash discount if you pay in full. Okay? Now, if you want to pay it on staggered, 10 months to pay, ang babayaran mo, 5,500. Okay, so next. Okay, when you do the installment, for every $450, you will get 90 usage. So meaning you will get a total of 900 usage. Saan napunta ang 1,000 ang 100? Because the moment you pay a down payment of 1,000, you will get 100 credits right away. Okay? Nasabtan ninyo? Nakuha ninyo?
Yes.
So that's 900 plus 100, a total of 1,000 credits. And then the PV, which is 200 PV. That's why I'm telling you, if you're already a member, you are in the best position. Ask me why.
Wow.
Because you will get bonus redemption, a bonus wallet, meaning you will have direct sponsorship bonus, and you will have loyalty redemption bonus, and you can also get group pairing or level pairing bonus. How do you do that? Ask your upline. So meaning the cash out is no longer that much. Okay? 2,000. So what if, gi-staggered mo? 10 months po ang staggered nito ha. So today, let's give an example, August. Example, August. Let's start. Nag-down ka ng August. How much do you put as a down payment? 1,000. You will start to pay 450 starting September. Every September, by September, you'll get 90 plus 200 PV. Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay. And then, what if by October, hindi ka nakabayad? October, November, December. Hindi ka nakabayad. You weren't able to pay the 450. If you have a loan, okay, you can still continue. However, if you will continue, if you will put up a load again, you have to pay the remaining 3 months. So, monthly mo na lang. Kuha po.
Yes.
But my suggestion, if you can use a credit card, then that would be better. Why? Because the $5,000 will be returned right away to you the following month. The following month for the next 2 years. Example, ngayon, okay? Nagbayad ka, binuo mo, 5,000. Bayad ka 5,000. September, you will already receive, next month, 209. makakaris... Asan tong sorry, balik, sorry po. Ulit. Okay. 5,000 divided by 24. Pila ba na?
200, 800 na. Ang pinaka-last month,
100.
109.
Okay.
108.2.
Okay. Okay, tama nga. So, full payment ka ngayon. August. September, tatanggap ka na ng 209 every month hanggang mabuo mo ang 5,000. So, bumalik pa din ang perang pinalabas mo. Okay? Through loyalty redemption bonus. Palakpak naman kayo dyan. Okay. What happens kung isa-staggered mo? Kung isa-staggered mo, is it okay? Yes, okay lang. But when you do the staggered, you will wait until 10 months upon full payment before you will start receiving 209. So parang naging 3 years ang paghintay mo na maibalik ang 5,000. Nakuha niyo po?
Yes.
Yeah, kung full payment, then automatic kuha mo.
1 year.
Okay, so, okay, last na tayo ha, dito. And then we have exciting sharers right now. Dito ang pinakagusto ko sa business. Why? Ask me why.
Wow.
Here, when you don't put a load, the Magnusik will not function. How many of you can identify with me that you cannot live a day without a data? Pag walang data, ma'am, anong gagawin? Magpa-load talaga. Exactly the same concept here. The moment you will reload, automatic, you will earn, and you will actually be getting passive income. Paano po yun? Marketing plan po yan. Another time na lang po natin pag-uusapan. But that is something very, very powerful. Because with iTerra Care right now, it's very good. Enjoy ka sa iTerra Care. Pero meron pa bang pumapasok sa inyo habang gumagamit ng iTerra Care ang mga leaders nyo? Meron bang pumapasok?
Wala.
Wala. Kasi
User.
lang siya. Dito po, kahit user lang. Actually, dalawa lang po ang kinakailangan natin. 2 tao lang po na mag-user. Grabe! Hindi na, isa na lang. Sama-sama. Pwede ka mo kita, minimum ha, $1.3 million. User lang. Anong gawin po? Tagdadalawa lang. Eh, ito, 21 PB pa to at isa. Hindi pa to 30 PB. Wala pang load yan. Ang load kasi is 30 PB. 30 PB will go to the group pairing and 30 PB will go to the Unilever. Grabe! Dalawa lang ang kailangan. Example, pagpalaga na natin, itago na lang natin sa pangalan na si Jessica. Si Jessica ngayon, you were able to share the product, Magnusik. And then after that, hindi na siya nag-contact sa'yo. Load siya ng load ng 100 every month. Bakit siya naglo-load? Kasi ginagamit niya, nag-enjoy siya. Pamilya niya, buong pamilya niya. You know, ma'am, you will be getting every month commission. Yeah! So, okay. Yan na yan ha, para matapos na tayo. Kaya huwag na kayong mag-isip. Please lang, huwag na kayong mag-isip. Kumuha na kayo ng Magnusik. Kasi kinompute ko po yung 1.3 million. 10% na lang po ang naging totoo. Just 10% become, okay, ang bahala na. 10% naging reality. How much is 10% of 1.3 billion? 132,000 US dollars! 10% na lang po yan. 1% na nga lang. 1% na lang po. Magkano ang 1%? 30,000 US dollars! Magkano ang exchange? Okay lang sa inyo, meron kayong 765 pesos. Kaya po nag-ibig sa inyo. Kailangan na po ng support dito. Okay. So, sino next? Okay. So, right now, ladies and gentlemen, alam niyo po ba na 1 month pa lang po ang Magnusic? Ni-launching pa nga lang eh. But there are already very powerful testimony. Yes. Meron na pong naging pumbero dito. Pero, oh, grabe. You will be excited. Tapos may suggestion po ako, pag nag-share siya, tutukan nyo talaga para makita nyo kung gaano kalaki ang host ng bumbero. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome a powerful testimony by our very own beloved Sabay Director,
Gulat to. Anong gagawin? Alam mo po, kumusta po? Naganda ko, sino naganda sa Prat? Uy, yung totoo lang ha, huwag mo tayo magpapanwari. Pero sino mo yung naganda sa product? Nasa naman. Salamat. Sino dito naiintindihan yung product? Basta sinungaling. Okay, so anyway. So, siguro kasi this is a new product. So, siguro kasi ang ugali ko kasi, I really want to test it out. So, may kikwento ko sa inyo yung personal testimony ko. Basically, this is my Magnusic journey. Yeah. Ayos ba yan? Yes! Ano yan? Parang ibig, ginuluto ay. Okay. So, sorry, English? Oh, we have a foreigner.
Yeah, in the Zoom.
In the Zoom.
Yeah.
You can log out. Understand? Log out. I'm not kidding. Anyway, hello everyone. I try to speak, but I too much English, I faint. Okay. So anyway, I'll try my best to speak in English, pero alam niyo naman, hindi ko gagawin yun. Alright, so for the people that doesn't know, my name is Rich. I'm one of the guys who actually tested the product. I actually tested it, and I honestly said, when the first time I actually got a hold of the product was actually with the training. So I didn't have my own seat. I didn't have my own device. The problem actually is if you don't have the device, you don't literally understand it. Yes or yes?
Yes.
Even if you attend, you don't understand it. But I will try to explain it to you really simple, because when I used it, sobrang natawa talaga ako kasi nung ginamit ko siya, I tried it out, siyempre nag-scan. Hindi.
Yes.
So, why is this product perfect? Why I love it? Because we all know na hindi lahat everyone doesn't want to get checked out.
Right.
Yes or yes?
Yes.
Sino dito matapang na gusto magpa-check? Wala, di ba? Pero sino dito matapang na gusto niyang alamin kung anong concern nila sa katawan, and by secret, alam mo. Sino gusto yun? Di ba? At least ikaw alam mo. Di ba? Alam mo na sila. So, kaya ko siya nagustuhan. Number 2, nagustuhan ko rin to kasi nga, lahat tayo, sigurado ko, especially if you're at the age of 30 and up, you have a concern sa katawan mo na ayaw mong sabihin kahit sa asawa mo. Yes or yes?
Yes.
So you want to find out. Tama? You just want to find out para you know what to do. Yes or yes?
Yes.
So this is, for me, it's a solution.
Yeah.
Solution talaga siya for people like me. How many of you pare-pareho mga pakiramdam na gano'n? Taas ang kamay. Sino yung ganun din? Ay, salamat po. Hindi ako nag-iisa. Tama? Kahit hindi nagtaas ang kamay, ano kung ganun kayo? Right?
Yeah.
So anyway, so going back, I checked myself, nakita ko, so one of the things that I observed, kasi when I started the scan, I also did which is you did also, is the repair. Okay? Hindi ko na, I won't explain how it works kasi grabe na yung pagkaka-explain ni Apply ni Amba. Tama, palakpakan naman nasa application. Okay? I think you can do better than that. Tama, palakpakan naman. So, going back, so when I started the repair, one of the things na hindi namin alam noong time na yon, meron pala tong healing progress. Okay? If you understand our body, once na may sugat in any part of the body, linagyan mo yan ng gamot, linagyan mo yan ng anything na that to help to heal, it will go through a process.
Yeah.
Kapag may sugat ka, linagyan ng gamot, ano pakiramdam? Mahapde? Masakit? Yes? Pero that's how you will know it's working.
Yes.
Yes or yes?
Yes.
Pag medyo naglanim, nangangate, yes?
Yes.
Ibig sabihin, nasa process na siya. Same thing with our internal organs. If there's a concern na nakita, it will go through that process. The good news is, I went through that process. When I started to scan, ito yung ano ko nga nun din, when I started to scan, may na-trigger sa katawan ko. So with all honesty, sumakit talaga yung ulo ko. As in, okay, wag na kayo kumanta. Okay? Sumakit yung ulo ko, tapos, tumigil, wag na nga kumanta eh, di ba? Okay. Anyway, basta sumakit yung ulo ko, so, na kayo kumanta. Okay? Napansin ko nag-trigger. So I was complaining to my wife for almost 2 weeks. I was waking up with a terrible headache. Every day, natutulog ang pagkagising ko, ang sakit talaga ng ulo ko. Diba? Sex bomb. Diba? Mga iba hindi yun nag-get. Ayun pala yun. So anyway, so I was so excited to actually get my unit. So when I got my unit, I did the checkup again, I did the scanning, and I did the repair. Yeah, the balancing, the training, okay? So marami tayong term na ganyan, but it's basically training because yung cells natin kailangan i-train. Clear? So now, linagay ko na po, eto yung masakit. There will be things that you will discover during this scanning na you will not like. But it's a warning. It's a reminder. Basta sabi reminder. It's a reminder that you have to really take care of yourself. Yes or yes?
Yes.
So nakita ko yung akin, hindi talaga ako naging masaya. To be honest, people were asking me, how's the product? Sabi ko parang nagdadalawang isip ako. Kasi nga, ang lumabas sa akin po is puro 6. Okay, puro 6. And syempre kinabahan ako. Ang nakakatawa dito, ang tinamaan, hindi ko inaakalang tatamaan.
That's right. That's right.
Na-shock talaga ako noon. And this is the thing. Nung nakita siya, and I'll show you the actual data. Gusto niyo ba makita yun? Ayaw. Pilit ka eh. Joke lang. So, anyway, nung na-check, grabe talaga. I started the scanning, I started the repair. Ang pinakamalala, ang nakita kasi sa akin, there was a problem with my gallbladder. It's all 6. Ang nakakagulat, yung pakiramdam na nag-start na siya mag-healing progress, sumakit ang bewang ko. Sumakit ang ulo ko. Sumakit ang bewang ko. Diba? So, sumakit na dito, medyo kinabahan na ako kasi kinakausap ko yung asawa ko, parang hindi na rin maganda yung pag-ihi ko. Hindi na talaga, as in, I felt na meron akong parang, pakiramdam ko, parang ako may prostate cancer. I felt that like I was a 70-year-old guy trying to pee. Alam mo, ganun pala ka. Tapos nakita ko pa, syempre, hindi po ako medical expert, nakita ko may lumabas na mga something. Ginugel ko. Tama, kilala niyo si Google? Okay, ginugel ko. Pero alam ko, kaibigan niyo rin yun eh. Ginugel ko, nakita ko, meron akong urinary tract infection. How did I get that? Karamihan na lang babae lang meron. Lalaki, bihira. Yes or yes?
Yes.
So lalo ko naman naiisip na anxiety na nga ako eh. Kasi nga, di ba, I was literally going through that process, pero nung na-realize ko na meron nga siyang healing progress,
Wow.
I pushed through.
Yes.
I really pushed through it. Okay? Huwag ka lang bibitaw. Kaya huwag ka lang bibitaw, malapit ako matapos. Tapos sa mga ganon, tutulis yan. May kilala ako, naglakad o. Nung sabi ko, ano yun? Nasaksak niya sa sarili niya. Okay. So going back to my story, ang sakit talaga, as in literal, yung alam mo, bakit na iihi ka, tapos pag-ihi mo, kailangan ko gumising pa ulit-ulit. Kailangan kong, pag na-feel ko na kasi nga iniisip ko, yung ay baka may patoke yung pinagkakadat. What? Ano yun? Nakakapaisip, ano ba yung ginagawa ko? Sobrang in-stress talaga ako. Hindi na siya masaya. Tama? Pero this is the beautiful part. Just to let you know, going through that for almost a week, if I'm not mistaken, 3 days po, yung pain na meron ako dito, and I'm telling you, it's excruciating pain. Nandito ako sa training noon. Hindi ko alam kung yung kausap ko dito. Awalan ko na. Yung mga... Anyway, so, kaya yung mga... Umalis lang. Mamaya nandito. So, anyway, masakit. Every movement ko masakit. 3 days, nawala yung pain. 3 days. Lumipat dito. Diba? May nagtanong na tao like ko, sabi na, ano kaya tingin mo? Bakit may loko na nitong product natin? Pero you know what? I still push through. After 2 days, totally nawala yung ang pinakamasaya sa lahat. Ay, hindi na. Doon nakita ka talaga lumipatan. Pwede ko yung mapapangana. Pero bottom line, nung umihi ako, ay grabe. Grabe, gano'n na talaga. Kaya ako yung... Ngayon, pinapalitan yung bowl namin. Butas eh. Ganong ka. No, I'm seriously guys, if you've gone through yung ganong na pakiramdam, malala. Pero kung na-feel mo ulit na nag-normalize yung pag-uwi, grabe. Kaya I'm telling you, eto, I mean, at the end of the day, hindi naman ako kakilala eh. Pwede kayo hindi maniwala. Pero sa akin, I documented everything. So I want to show you yung scan. Okay? Gusto makita?
Yes.
Ano kausap ko? Joke lang. Okay. So ito, syempre personal ko to, pero expose natin ng konti, ha? Ha? Shh. May ingay. Okay? Ito ba yung video na umiihi ako? Joke lang. Uy, what excited siya. Anyway. So ito po yung ano ko, kagdal lang. Kung naiintindihan niyo po yung kwento ni ano, wow, grabe ako makaturo.
This is my gallbladder.
Okay? Kung mapapansin niyo po yung picture, puro itim, puro number 6. Hindi po yan masaya. Tama hindi. Kaya doon ko nalaman, sabi ko, grabe pala yung pakiramdam. Ito nakakatuwa. After a week and a half, gusto ko lang makita nyo, after a week and a half, from lahat na ng puro number 6 ha, ilang anong number?
6.
Oh, ayun, masakit. Walang internet. Sandali ah. Naglo-load pa po. Wait lang po. Naglo-load.
Kala ko number 8 na.
Oo nga eh. Then nag-number 8. Ano ba yan? Umina pong... Eh, ba yan? Teka lang, naglo-load eh. Ha? Yung internet, no? Actually, para lang hindi lang tumagal, lahat po, majority, lahat nag-number 3. May naiiwan na konting number 4 at may naiiwan na konting number 5. Good or very good?
Very good.
At alam mo kung ba't naniniwala ako? Kasi I literally feel great.
Yeah.
Wala na yung pain, wala yung pain ko. And I love it kasi even yung headaches ko that I was having for more than 2 to 3 weeks, totally nawala na siya. Those are very good. And I just want to lang, kung wala sabihin sa inyo, I'd like to add, I won't call her na. I just tell her, I tell yung testimony niya.
Yes.
Si Miss Yolanda, ma'am, kaway ka lang, kaway, si Miss Yolanda. So, she's one of my clients, she's one of my leaders, she's one of my downlines, she's also one of the users nitong nung test nitong product natin. Ilang beses na po siyang nagpa-check up. Walang nakitang problem sa katawan niya. Yes, di ba? Wala talaga. Pero she has pain sa knee. So sinasabi ng doctors, walang nakita, baka raw ano lang yan. Ano yun? Ang sabi sa'yo? Yung rheuma? Tsaka sabi, baka ganon. Di ba? Ano sabi? Uric acid, di ba ganon? And she wants to know. So this is perfect for everyone. Nung tinest niya yung product, kita namin, puro 6 yung sa tuhod niya. Ito nakakatuwa. Basta may nakakatuwa pa po. Na-check na, which is, di ba, yung problem mo doon. Second, nagpa-repair siya. She couldn't walk anymore, ha? Good news, nandito siya sa office ngayon. Good news kayo? Tinatamad na po ako. Okay? So, good news may mga narinig nyo today. Hindi tayo excited para dito sa produkto natin. Was excited para sa business natin. Just to close it off, tapos na rin po tayo, pero hindi po natin pwedeng palagpasin na hindi po mag-talk tong isang tao na to. Okay? So she is actually, itong mag-asawa to, they are actually the reasons why we are here today. Bakit po ako nandito, kami mag-asawa, bakit po kami napa-join sa Pride International is because of this couple. Nakakatuwa kasi ako naniniwala ako meron tayong minsang prospects na nag-recruit eh. Yes or yes? Meron tayong prospects na parang alam mong babarayin ka kagad. Yes or yes? Mahirap bentahan ang nagbebenta. Yes or yes? So ako po lahat yun. Okay? Ako po lahat yun. Sakto ko. Pero I'm thankful dahil dinakasan nila loob nila. Share sa amin business. And I'm so thankful rin na at least, I'm so thankful that listen. It's important. Yes? Without further ado, my upline, let's all welcome upline, Sarah Caria.
Continue the moment. So I just want to share my story. War, this is 4 hours, 4 days. Can you bear with me? Yes, I short it. Okay? Sino yung may tanong dito na, teka, I'm a person who is so in love with IteraCare. Who is so in love with IteraCare?
Yes.
Who is so in love with the bio?
Yes.
Kasi if you are not so in love, ngayon mo lang narinig, I will understand hindi ka masyadong excited.
Yeah.
Pero when I saw actually the exact Magnusi, first time I saw it in Bali. Okay? And then during the time, we're having the convention, nandun kami sa labas, we were outside, and I was with my husband, si Diamond Director Mark. Okay, so the first time, sasalita din sa mamaya. So, nung time na yun, actually namanghalang ako, paano siya nakakascan? How it can scan? Because I'm a medtech.
Yeah.
And you know how much it is to how much is the cost of every single test?
Yeah.
Okay? If you know, right?
Yeah.
Ito yung suki ng laboratory. Alright? Alam mo yung price since 20 years ago, mas mahal na ngayon.
Yes.
Namangha din ako, ay yung after the scan, you will see all the parasite, all the bacteria,
The virus.
possible. Pero actually, I was so amazed. Because you know how much that costs? Usually around $100 for one test. And then after that, you will just see the whole plethora of the bacteria. And then how much it has. So, but then even if it's so nice, actually, I am not so convinced. Okay, so that's why the one who is so convinced, of course, it's always been my husband. So siya yung nag-test. Siya yung nag-scan. And ako naman, what I did is to scan for everybody, like the 25 people, hindi na ako nakapasok. Pwede bang si Doktora Sara na lang? Hindi po ako nakapagod. Pero, ayan, si Ina na lang po, hindi, siya po yung gusto namin kasi yung sa kanya. Okay. So I scanned the way I know how to read. So, grabe talaga po, no? Pero hindi pa rin ako talaga convinced kasi how does it replace Itera Care? Do you have that question? How does it? I don't want to leave my Itera Care kasi feeling ko doon talaga. That's the only one that can make things happen for everyone. That's how grabe talaga yung paniwala ko with Itera Care. So that's pulse electromagnetic frequency. Tama? You know that. Okay, so now, cut the long story short, we already ordered. And when we ordered, definitely, kasi even before, lagi naman kami, obey lang ng obey na order. Kahit hindi mo alam kung paano gagawin, like si Upline Jazz, order lang, bahala na later na maintindihan yan. Okay, so like, we ordered, but hindi ako nakakagamit kasi lagi siyang nagagamit sa labas. So in short, twice lang po ako na-scan, pero overnight naman. Okay, so the first scan, when I saw my my scan, my result, I was thinking of looking into my thyroid condition kasi that is the very reason why I got well with Itera. That is my condition. So my metabolism, okay talaga lahat with Itera Care and Bio. For me, wala nang lalampas sa kanya. Kaya parang na ako sa kanya, sino ka? Parang ganyan. So, yan, sino lang? Kasi biotechnology company, we are the best, we are the award promotion. I keep on affirming that on myself. Sabi ko, pero alamin kita, darating ako ng panahon na I can say this with all honesty and not hype. No? Not marketing, but based on my real journey with my life. Okay, so first, nakita ko, my thyroid is okay! Palakpakan na ako. So, 1.5 years ko, yun siya. Wow! Talagang yellow siya. Tapos, hindi pala yun. That's not my condition. My condition is, I didn't know that my lungs are not okay. So, why? Bakit lungs? But I realized, whenever I have, mahahawa ako, like I get, affected by the viruses around, usually yan, when I take care of my children, ako na kagad. And it's really takes me a long time to heal. And lagi po akong may inhaler. Okay? Don't tell everybody, but right now I will because right now, hindi na ako dependent.
Yeah.
So, sometimes I use salbutamol. Yung, ano po? Nebulizer. That's why it's so handy to me. So, wow, bakit kaya? Because when I was young, I'm exposed to secondhand smoke for the most of my 20 years of my life. At home. Okay? So, doon nang galing yung weakness ko. And even right now that I am this age, it still manifests. And hindi din yun, every time I do Itera Care, every time I do this, every time I get infected, meron pa rin. Everything was okay. So meaning to say, wow, weird. So I got the scan, in short, that was 8 hours the first time. You know what? When I woke up, kasi kinakabahan ako kasi si Ethan, sine-check niya, ano nang nangyayari sa'yo? Sabi ko, wala. The following day, anything you felt? Because the moment I opened my eyes, you know what? You know what the Itera Care does to your body, right?
Yeah.
Why it's effective, right?
Yeah.
It will increase your oxygen capacity in your body. Okay, that's one thing that PEMF can do to the body. Okay, so that's the technology we have. So when you have that, cancer cells don't like it. And then you have a good process of recovery, whatever your situation. Okay, so that's science. So, nung pag-gising ko, kasi hindi ka nakakahinga, try mo mag-inhale. And try mo mag-count. 1, 2, 3 lang siguro. Right? 1, 2, 3 only, hindi mo na kaya. You know what? When I woke up, when I inhaled, it's up to 9. That deep. So in short, the oxygen that I could take in my lungs is that deep. And akala ko hindi na siya babalik. Really, I was so amazed. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Okay, fine, okay. So after that, of course, it's always high energy. Ganyan. After that, hindi na ako nakagamit. Okay? So alam na naman, kasi syempre, demo ako na naman yung mag-iintay. And then, second, I had another cup nung Davao trip. Supposed to be. And then my husband, sabi niya, sige, ikaw naman ang gumamit. Thank you, Lord. Nakagamit ako doon. Thank you. One at second ko pa lang yun. Overnight. Yung ubo ko, my cough, hindi natuloy. And the fever the following day. Okay. Pero alam mo yung iba na ako confused. Alam mo kung bakit? I'm not telling everyone. So, after training ni Sister Hazel, like, that's that Hazel to in February, which really made me, kasi sobra akong balik sa Eternal. Doing it faithfully every day, 3 times a day, bahayo, whatever. Meron akong isang pain na hindi nawawala. Here. Okay? So, I was thinking, katulad ni Sir Rich kanina, ayaw mong malaman, tama? Baka meron akong tama sa kidney. Eh, pagkita ko yung sa kidney, mas grabe naman yung lungs ko kaysa doon sa kidney. Pero bakit? Alam mo, it's really, nakakainis. Ito ba yung every single night? Okay? Bakit na meron pa din? Tapos when it attacks, nakakainis. Hindi naman 9, 10 ang pain niya, but it's
Annoying.
Talaga, pag lalakad ako, lagi ako dito, hindi pa rin. And you know what? Nung dumating finally yung sarili kong unit, kaya dapat talaga, you have your own unit. So, overnight talaga ako. Ay, ilang oras, 24 hours talaga ako. Siguro, baka 15 hours, yung iba akong nakaganon doon. Alam mo, the following, last na to ha, you know what happened to me? This pain was gone.
Wow!
I don't understand why, but this is what I understand. Okay? Itheracare is good. It can give you oxygenation, PEMF. Alam mo, ang magnetic resonance is also PEMF. But it has the capacity now to directly affect your cellular voltage. That is actually what all the products of Prime address in the body. You don't need to talk medical.
Yeah.
You can only tell everybody that you are changing the cellular environment. And there were questions na coming around, wala namang test. Anong test? Kasi yung ating Itheracare, we have clinical studies, right? You don't need tests. What is the test? The test is regarding all the things that happen when yung mga studies, because this resonance or PMF affects directly the mitochondria, cellular agad. And those studies, how the mitochondria, the ATP is produced, diba yun yung energy, tama, is enough.
Yes.
And it will manifest in the way you think, babata ka talaga. Talagang totoo po talaga siya. It's exact science. So you don't need any. I believe you don't need any. This test, and when it does, simple lang yung mechanism niya to increase oxygenation.
Well, anyway, ang dami na nasabi. And, palakpakan po natin. Yung mga akala natin, nag-iusap ng pakay, samahan namin, sabi ko, hindi magsalita siya. They are sa 83 countries, si Kuya Christian and si Ate Jazz, sila po yung highest position. At dalawa lang po ang Crown Ambassador. At
Dalawa pa lang.
magiging tatlo yun. 83 countries. Sunod-sunod na tayo, no? And they're so privileged na minsan nandito sila, tas alam mo yun, because they're so reachable. Di ba, imagine mo, 83 countries, Tapos sila yung highest position. Tapos nagsasalita sa atin.
That's right.
Yan, iyak na po. So, grabe. I mean, palakpakan po natin. Sorry. Talagang kagabi. Tapos, we have a new team right now na sumalpak sa atin.
Wow.
And we finish encoding at dawn.
Wow.
Nagano tayo. Talagang this is really a second wave. Second wave talaga tayo and talagang grabe po. And si Amba Sara Carriaga. Passionate when it comes to Magnusik. And lahat tayo skeptic ng una. Hindi ko maano na presyo 285,000, medyo mahal ng konti. Pero like what we said. Imagine mo you own probably this building. You own Hermes, you own diamonds, right?
Correct.
Tapos kinabukasan, hindi ka namatay. Coma.
Correct.
Coma lang. Kasi yung, di ba, mayroon ngayon, yung vlogger na si Aida. The next day, I believe she's very rich. Pero the next day, because it was not scanned.
Yeah, detective.
Sabi nga, ang ganda ng sinabi mo, Kuya Christian, sabi niya, it could be the detection could change the story.
Yes.
Pwedeng bagong storya. Eh pag nangyari na, wala na tayong magagawa.
Correct.
Pag na-coma ka, that's it. With all your wealth, huwag na lang siguro coma. Tumabingin na lang mukha mo. Hindi na kagano'n ka, di ba? May na-stroke ka na kaunti, di ba? Nagkagano'n ka. Mababalik mo ba yun?
Hindi na.
So ngayon palang alam mo na kung may tama ka dito. O di ba, may tama ka dito, right? Yes or yes?
Yes.
And I believe, yun ang pinaka-the best.
Yes.
Especially if you are a mother or father, gusto mo, hindi lang ikaw.
That's right.
Yung buong pamilya mo. Kung may kotse ka sa bahay, dapat may Magnusik ka sa bahay. Yes or yes? So hindi siya luxury. Hindi siya luxury, hindi siya BMW, hindi siya Mercedes, hindi siya Diamond, hindi siya Hermes. It's a need.
Yes. That's right.
Eh bakit mahal? Eh kasi bakit? Maghanap ka lang ganyan. Meron dito, kabibili lang 2 days ago. Eh may-ari ng factory, blah blah blah. Tapos ang ginawa niya, naghanap siya ng iba. Mga 3 days bago siya, 4 days or 1 week siya, bago siya bumalik. Sabi niya, wala ako nahanap na iba. That's why she bought it cash. Wala ka makikita ng ganito. So far. Kung magantay ka 2 years from now, baka too late na hero.
Correct.
Sabi nga, early detection is early intervention.
Yes.
Eh wala akong pera. Yung pera is the least of your problem.
Yes. Agree.
Tama yung sinasabi, di ba nakakatawa yung sinasabi ni Kuya Christian? Wala akong pera. Tapos, nakakatawa yung story na yun. Pero does it happen?
Yes.
Nangyayari ba siya?
Yes.
Yung huli ang pagsisisi.
Yes.
Nangyayari siya, tama.
Correct.
So, one thing, this is not a luxury, it's a need in every home. The fact that ako mismo, sabi ko, grabe ito mga kasi nung tinry ko talaga siya, unang inaantok talaga ako. Wala. Uncontrollable yung sleep. Kasi ang body natin, nagre-repair siya pag sleep. So, nagre-repair ako. Pero alam mo, in my 30 plus in marketing, ngayon lang ako nakakita ng product, this product, yung energy level ko ibang klase.
Wow.
Yung para kang minsan di ba you wake up in the morning, wala ka namang problema. Pero parang may problema ka. May problema ba ako? Wala ka namang problema. Yung wala ka problema. Pero pag isip mo, siguro may problema ako. Correct. Pero ngayon, alam mo, pag-isip mo sa umaga, 8 hours ka nagmamagmusik, parang, pumunta kami nung sa Ilocos, ang biyahe namin, 6.5 hours. Tapos bumalik kami, 6.5 hours, 13 hours. Pagbalik sa Manila, naghahanap pa ako ng makakausap. Kasi energy level mo, ibang klase. Very good talaga siya. Number 1, deep talaga siya. Kayo na bahala. Malalaki na tayo, kumbinsin mo sarili mo. Ikaw na mabata, ikaw na kumbinsin ko. Parang awa mo na. Alagaan mo sa sarili mo. Hindi ikaw mo kumbisi sa sarili mo. Kung ayaw mo, wala tayong magagawa dyan. Kung ayaw mong paskan, hindi kita kayang pilitin. Yes or yes? O, di ba? Pero pag tulog ka, kaibigan kita, lalagyan kita. Second, business. Yung sinabi ni Alpha, ano tayo? Prime mover tayo. Alam mo yung prime mover? Tayo yung nauna dito.
Yes.
Sa buong Pilipinas, wala pang 100 ang merong magusik. Sa 120 million Filipinos, 100 pa lang ang nadidistribute ng magusik. In the Philippines. So imagine mo, ikaw, pangalawa, sino ka competition mo? Wala. O mag-competition ka ng vitamins, wala akong problema. Nagpa-vitamin C kami. Pero pag nagbenta ka ng vitamin C, yung kapitbahay mo, may mabibili na iba.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So what's it meron? Ito, what to say? Walang mabibili na iba. So ibig sabihin, this is what we call a blue ocean industry.
Yes.
Yung red ocean kasi, pag sinaksak kita, blood will flow. Tama? So pagalingan tayo ng vitamins. Ay, kami, vitamin C with Wi-Fi. Di ba? Yung barley with probiotics, barley with zinc, iba-iba, di ba? Pero parehas na siya barley, tama? Ito, magnusik. Basta magnusik. Kasi bakit? Paghanap siya, wala siya pakikita sa hardware.
Yeah.
Yes or yes? Pangalawa, ito, dahil prime movers tayo yung sisimula, tama?
Yeah.
Imagine mo yung 2x2 lang, 2x2. Pag natin sa 1,000, sabi natin, tumigil ka sa 1,000. Ito lahat may matusik 1,000. Naisip nyo na ba na hindi kayo habang buhay magtatrabaho? Yes. Ang masarap dito, passive income. Sa tagal namin sa networking, 30 years na kami sa networking, paglipat mo ng kumpanya, panibagong product na naman yan. Ito yung pinakamagandang product. Ito yung the best. Pero pag lumipat kayo sa kumpanya, ito, mas maganda to. Yes or yes? So yung ginagamit namin 30 years ago, hindi na namin ginagamit yan.
Yes.
Kasi bakit? Panibagong kumpanya. Ito, para sa mga Magnusik user at sa mga distributors, mga builders. Pag may 1,000 tao lang, bumili ng Magnusik, 285,000. Di ba alam nyo may credit siya?
Yes.
May load siya?
Yes.
Hindi ka bibili ng 285,000 na ilalagay mo lang dyan.
Yeah.
Hindi mo luludan. Hindi mo pwedeng Gcash yan. Hindi mo pwedeng prepaid card yan. Tama? Ang ilulog mo lang talaga niyan, credit sa Magnusik.
Yes.
At tandaan mo, yung credit sa Magnusik, pumupunta sa Unilevel.
Yes.
Ibig sabihin nun, pag nakadeal ka ng mga machines, for life, sabi mo for life, meron kang residual income sa mga. Good or very good. Ngayon, pwede namang di ka magmadali. Next year na lang. Pwede. Pero sayang yung opportunity.
Yeah.
Ito yung grabe na kumpanya. Pero yung product, parang, grabe. Ang hirap magsalita kasi parang inukumbisi ko kayo. Pinakamahirap, kumbisi mo yung mga tao, ayaw magpakumbisi. Kayo na bahala, malalaki na tayo lahat. Ama, buhay niyo yan. O, di ba? Wala na sisihan. Sabi ko eh. Di ba? Iwi na yung mukha ko ngayon. Di ba? Tinggal na yung kidney mo. Ito, imagine mo at the comfort of your home. You are balancing.
Yes.
Eh, tama yung sinasabi. Imagine mo, sabi ko nga, 1 year from now, like kaka-repair. Rebalance. Imagine mo, binalance yung kidney mo. 1 year from now, imagine mo kung araw-araw ka nagre-rebalance. 1 year from now, anong itsura ng kidney mo? Wow! Brand new. Brand new kidney. Brand new lungs. Brand new heart. Wow! Brand new skin. Yeah! Tapos, Kumikita ka pa. Kailangan ka ba ikumbinsi pa?
Hindi na!
Malalaki na!
Okay. Okay naman.
Akala po natin yan ang closing of because very powerful. But right now, hindi pa po natatapos ang balancing, ng recharging, at saka revitalizing of Dr. Sonia, pero meron na po siyang binulong sa akin. Gusto mo po ba Okay, Doc. Yan. Ako lang maghahawak niya kasi ongoing pa.
Magandang hapon lahat. I'm Dr. Sonia. By profession, I am a dentist. And my sister, an older sister, is a doctor, physician. Now, the other day, nandito ako kasi bumili ako uli ng Care for a friend. Tapos, nagkataon, nandito sila Sir Christian and introduced about, sabi ko, ano ba yun? Ano yun, Ma'am Jess or Ma'am Jess? Hindi ko rin maintindihan kung ano ba yung magnosik. And then, yung sister ko, ano na naman ako sister ko, sabi ko, ano na naman yan, sister, meron na naman bago, ano na naman yan? Parang nakakapagod na. O kasi maya-maya, mula sa quantum kasi, then quantum is an energy. And then itong Care, tapos ito na naman. Parang di ka convince. Tapos, ito na tayo ngayon, habang inaano ako, itong ini-scan, is kanina, maano ito talaga yung kamay ko. Kasi I'm taking also yung B-complex. Dala ko pa galing sa stage kasi yun nga, B-complex is for nerves kasi tapos itong mayroon pa mga collagen, dala ko rin para sa mga sa buto, sa tuhod, sa mga joints natin. It helps, plus the Care. Pero mayroon akong parang na-discover ko na very instinct talaga, instant. Kanina, ito hanggang ngayon, ano pa sa akin, inaantok ako kanina, sir.
Nilalabanan mo lang daw.
Nilalabanan ko. Tapos, suddenly talaga, promise, nawala ito.
Wow!
When I go down, in pain. No, not necessarily pain. Basta meron parang yun. There's something amazing.
Wow!
Dito sa Magnosik. Na-pronounce ko na Magnosik.
Yeah!
Kasi, akala mo ko, magnet. Sabi niya, makinig ka na lang or ano man, basta you discover by yourself. And now I'm thankful.
Wow! God be the glory!
Want to have my own Magnosik.
Yeah! Thank you for sharing that. Can you imagine, Sheila, our relationship with Doki and my beloved wife, years already, how many years? And since Doctora is a very good dentist, and she works in Saudi Arabia, no? And yun po, di ba, Doc, na kwento mo, yun ang isang reason dahil sa kabubunot niya, na ito talaga, matagal na po niyang concern talaga yung, parang meron siyang tingling sensation dito. I'm so happy that we really insisted. Kasi sabi talaga ni Doktora, walang time, pero talagang makulit po ang asawa ko. Because we really love Doktora. And this is how we can change the life of other people when we are persistent, because we know we are coming from the space of love, the space of care. So yun po yung napakagandang narinig ko ngayon na ikaw nag-imbita and nagkaroon ng wonderful experience. And this is to cut everything, one count lang po yun. Meaning, Doc, isang beses lang niya
One
dinaanan.
cycle.
One cycle lang. But yes, that's just one cycle. And there is already an effect, hindi matapos. So, once pa lang. So, in the system, you can actually calibrate it. Pwede mo siyang maset 10 times, 5 times, 20 times. Depende po kung gaanong kahaba ang panahon, ang oras na meron ka. But it will only use one credit. But for me, health is really wealth. And you just imagine yung sinabi ni Coach Mark. And this one that is 2 by 2, yung sinabi niya pong 1,000, hindi po ikaw lahat yon. Are you with me?
Yes.
Hindi po ikaw lahat yon. Kaibigan ng dalawa, kumuha ng dalawa, wala na po silang ginawa, nag-user lang sila ng Magnosik. At yung dalawang nakuha nila, tinulungan na nagkaroon din ng tigda-dalawa. And wala pong marketing na nangyayari, nag-user lang po. Sa tagda-dalawa po niyan na nabaliw na po tayo sa 13,000 US dollars monthly, that is 700,000 plus, which is 1% pa lang. But I want to just end with this. So you will actually appreciate all the more. What if hindi lang dalawa ang nashiran mo? Di ba gusto natin maging crown ambassador? Yes! To become crown ambassador, 8 po ang direct mo. 8 ang direct mo. So ibig sabihin, yung 1.3 million na yon, pwede yung times 8. Wow. Tingnan niyo po dito, 1% na lang. Granting na 8 po yung hinanap mo, tinulungan mo. Sino po ba dito ang gustong tumulong? Yes. Say I. Problema kasi gusto natin tumulong. So 8 pong tinulungan mo, 1% na lang ang nagiging totoo. That is 52,000 US dollars monthly. 1% na lang po. So, as we will end, no? It's never an accident that you're here.
Yes.
You hearing me and hearing all the sharers is not an accident. But your free will is never controlled by destiny. Your free will, yung desisyon mo, ikaw ang gagawa niyan. The only reason why me and my beloved Amba Mark and Amba Sara and the rest of the leaders here, of course, Amba Glo and Amba Bench, we are where we are right now because when it was the starting point, hindi na po kami nag-isip. We made a decision right away. Alam niyo po, ang nangyayari ngayon, talagang equal playing field.
Yes.
2 years po kami hindi nagkita ni Doktora, but happy user po siya. Yeah? Pero ngayon, I'm so happy to hear that she's back and she can really ride the wave together with all of us. Ganun po ang wave 2.
Yes.
We are starting from scratch. Ask me why.
Why?
Because pre-launch pa nga.
Yes.
So kung ikaw ay magdidesisyon ngayon at sasabihin mo, I want to become a health angel, I want to become a blessing, dalawa lang ang tutulungan ko. At the rest can be history. So it is my prayer. It is really my prayer. Do not wait. Because most often than not, regret comes at the last minute.
That's right.
That's why I call it a drama. And I have listened to a lot of dramas in the ICU, you know, intensive care unit. I have listened to a lot of dramas in the hospital, and it's already too late. Now, this is the opportunity. So now we can make a decision. Buy your Magnosik, because actually, what you are buying is just free.
Yes.